Today we're going to look at two words, know and don't know. Know in Tamil is theriyum, theriyum, theriyum. And don't know in Tamil is theriyadu, theriyadu, theriyadu. So the two words, know, theriyum, don't know, theriyadu. Okay, so let's look at this with sentence. I know Tamil. So how do you say that in Tamil? Is enakku, I becomes enakku, Tamil theriyum, because know in Tamil is theriyum. I know Tamil is enakku Tamil theriyum. I don't know Tamil. Don't know is theriyadu. So we're going to replace enakku Tamil theriyadu. Okay, enakku Tamil theriyadu. We already looked at in previous videos where the object comes in the middle when we build a sentence in Tamil. So enakku Tamil theriyadu. Okay, enakku Tamil theriyum. If you look at the other ones, like if you replace with more sentence structure, you can say enakku John. So if you wanted to say I know John, so you say enakku John-ஐ தெரியும். எனக்கு ஜானை தெரியும். I don't know Peter. எனக்கு பீட்டரை தெரியாது. எனக்கு பீட்டரை தெரியாது. So you can replace the object in the middle. எனக்கு something தெரியாது or எனக்கு something தெரியும். Okay. So two words that we looked at. Know, don't know. Know in Tamil is தெரியும் and don't know in Tamil is தெரியாது.